Just want to make a real quick video on a very simple and easy modification to the NA Miata. So this is my first gen M edition. And as anyone who owns a Miata knows, the first gen Miatas did not come with a wind blocker. It's not a huge deal, but I do actually drive a lot on the highway, and I thought it might be kind of nice to have a wind blocker, and I wanted something that was easy and factory. So I bought the wind blocker from a second gen. So this is an NB Miata wind blocker, and these wind blockers have this little bag for small items, and then an adjustable wind blocker so that it can adjust down and up. On the NB, this actually goes 180 degrees, so it flips all the way over. But on this car, because this is a later NA, it's got the stiffener bar, so it only flops over 90, which is fine. The installation is actually super easy. So on all Miatas, we have a bolt on both sides that on my car actually is not doing much. And so what I did is I took the NB wind blocker, marked the location for where you have to drill a new hole. So I marked the location for where that hole would be and just drilled 2 new holes. Took these bolts out, set this in, and bolted them back up. So this is being held on with just 2 bolts, and then I have some foam in between just to quiet it from any rubbing. And that's it. It's that easy to install. Seems to work just fine. The seat, obviously the seat, my seat used to go all the way back to this bar. So I'm going to lose, 1.5 inches or so of head rest location, which is kind of a bummer. I'm taller, and so I can use that space, but it still works okay. And there's still no interference with the window, no interference with the top, as you would expect from a stock Miata part. And I can still reach from the driver's seat with this turned back 90 degrees, still reach and grab the top, still reach and unzip the window, so there's really no access issues. And these things, they're not perfect for wind buffeting. The ones that really work well are at the height or over the height of the headrests or your head, but it definitely helps. It makes it a little less windy and a little more pleasant, especially for anyone with long hair. So very easy upgrade, very quick to do. If you've been thinking about it, that's all it takes.